And you know, I'm really kind of kicking myself because I really wish that I had taken the time to write down like some like realistic goals that I would have thought when I started, as far as like what I would be doing and the number of subscribers and people I'd be talking to and stuff like that. And I never really did that. But I know that I wouldn't have chosen numbers as high as they are now. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for you know, all your thoughts and all your conversations that we're having. I really appreciate that a lot of you reach out to me, and I'm able to have conversations back and forth with you, and also just kind of understand where the greater data science ecosphere is. I had a pretty good handle on it before, but I think I understand it even better now. So thank you all for that. But yeah, today is 3 months of content. So global roll call, as all of you know. We start off, let me know your city, state, province, country. Just let me know where you're from. Let's check out the global nature of the data science community. I love that part of it. Get to meet and talk with people from all over the world. So thank you so much again for being with us. I also like to start off with an opening note, which also gives you guys the time to say, you know, introduce yourself and let me know where you're from. So kind of give you guys a minute here. But I wanted to share a story with all of you, and I don't share stories very often because I don't want to seem like the old guy in the room just telling stories, right?